This is Gary Doug and my brief demo of the Home Depot Pompeo 52-inch ceiling fan. There's your model number and current price. I assembled this and I mounted it to an overhead beam in my storage shed before I did any installation in the house. I'm just going through the 3 different light levels there. And the switch is already set to updraft operation, which means it's going to go clockwise. I've turned it to high speed right here, and you're going to hear a lot of whine from the motor. I didn't see any kind of wobble on this short down rod here, and I did install it with a longer down rod later in the house, and I still didn't see any wobble. I don't have a video of that. I'm switching it to medium speed, and the whine will go away. Throughout this video, you'll see that the motion appears a little bit jerky, and that's just because of the frame rate of the camera not matching that of the computer. So it's actually running smooth the whole time. Now I'm switching to the lowest speed. By the way, the globe for the light is very easy to remove. All you have to do is lift it slightly and turn it counterclockwise and lower it down. Turning off the light, the switch is awfully noisy for me. Now I'll be switching the fan off. Now I'm going to reverse the switch on it so that it blows the air down. Again, it's set to high speed now. And you hear the whine come back. This only happens on high speed. To medium speed now. I did not notice any wobble of the fan at any speed and in either location, either here or in the house. Low speed now. Now I'm switching it off. This is how it looks in the house with the light off. and with the light on. That's it.